Let's talk about this mathematical topic which says sequence. Its name is sequence. So what is sequence? Sequence is a group of terms whereby each successive term is gotten or is obtained from a well-defined rule. So for something to be in sequence, it must have group of terms. For instance, look at these numbers. If I write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, dot, 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 dot. Watch this one. If I write 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, it keeps going, right? If I write something like, let's say, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, keeps going, right? Very good. Now, take a look at this. What can you see here? 2 plus 2. There is 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So what did I do here? I was adding 2, right? Very good. Take a look at this one. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. What did I do here? I was adding what? 3. Very good. Now take a look at 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1. It keeps going, right? What was I doing here? I was subtracting what? I was subtracting 2. Does it make sense? Now, these numbers are said to be what? In sequence. Reason, they follow a well-defined rule. You add to it. Takes for you to get these numbers, you must add to. You having 1, for you to get the successive ones, for these successive numbers, you'll be adding what? 3. Now, you having this 1, for you to get these ones, you'll be subtracting 2. And it follows in that order. It follows in that order. It keeps going. So that's what we mean by following a well defined rule. Now take a look at these ones. If I write something like 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, it keeps going. Now if I write something like, let's say 81, 27, 9, 3, 1, it keeps going, right? Now if you look at this one, what did I do? 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. So what did I do? I was multiplying by 2, right? Now this one, 81 divided by 3 is 27. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. What was I doing here? I was dividing what? I was dividing by 3. Does it make sense? So for something, and these numbers actually, they're also in sequence. Now, for something to be in sequence, or for a group of numbers to be in sequence, they must follow a well-defined what? Rule. Do you understand? So we have two main types of sequence. The number one, we call it what? The arithmetic what? The arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression, which is widely known as what? AP. AP. This AP, we also call it the linear what? Sequence. So number two, we have the second main type, the geometric what? Progression, also known as what? G what? P, or we can call it what? Exponential what? Sequence. Now, what is this arithmetic progression and what is this geometric progression? Take a look at this set of numbers. For this one, you can see what we did to get the successive numbers. We are adding 2, right? Now, what did we do here? We are adding 3. What did we do here? We are subtracting 2. So arithmetic progression is a type of progression whereby the successive terms are gotten by adding or subtracting a constant term known as the common difference, D. Does it make sense? Why a geometric progression? These ones, you can see we multiply 2 here, we divided by 3 here. So is a geometric progression is a type of progression gotten whereby the successive members are gotten by multiplying or dividing by a constant term known as the common what? Ratio. So it means in arithmetic progression, we make use of the common difference, while in geometric progression, we make use of the common what? ratio. So in this, we'll be stopping here for now. In our next class, we'll focus more on this arithmetic word progression. Does it make sense? Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Courses Academy. Bye bye.